Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about surd. A distinctive way of representing certain approximate values. Can you simplify root 4? Yes, root 4 value is 2 and root 1 by 9 is we can write 1 by 3. Root 0.01 is that is 1 by 100. 1 by 100 root value is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 decimal point is 0.1. In the case of root 4, root 1 by 9 and root 0.01 you can resolve and to get a solution and make sure that the symbol root is not seen in your solution. Is this possible at all the times? Now listen, this 2, root 2 and root 18 cubic root of 5. Can you evaluate it and also remove the radical symbol? Surds are unresolved radicals. You cannot find out the root value. Listen, such as the square root of 2 and the cubic root of 5, root 18, etc. They are irrational roots of equation with the rational coefficients. They are irrational roots of the equation with the rational coefficients. Now I will explain the definition of surds. Surds is an irrational root of a rational number. Surds is an irrational root of a rational number. Root inside we can write the rational number. So this is an irrational root. So nth root is a surd. N belongs to n. This ns belongs to n and n greater than 1. Above 1 we take it n value and a is rational number. So surds is an irrational root of a rational number. Listen, the famous pi is a irrational number but it is not a surd. Okay, pi is a irrational number but pi is not a surd. Though it is irrational, it cannot be expressed as a rational number under the radical symbol. Okay, it cannot be expressed as a rational number under the radical symbol. So pi is a irrational number but not a surd. Next heading, order of your surds. Order of your surds definition is, the order of your surd is the index of the root to be extracted. Index of the root is the order of your surd. For example, nth root a. Nth root a, order of this nth root a is index of the root. Index is n. So order is n. Next definition, equiradical surds. Equiradical surds is same order of surds, or surds are same order, or index of the root to be extracted is same. Index of the root to be extracted is same. They are called equiradical surds. Okay, so equiradical, listen the example, root x, this index is 2 and a power 3 by 2, index is 2. Here q square root of m, index is 2. So all the index are 2. This name is quadratic surds. Okay, listen, this number cubic root of 5, cubic root of x minus 5 and ab the whole power 1 by 3. All the terms are cubic root. So index is 3. So this type is cubic surds. These are equiradical surds examples. Simplest form of a surd. A surd is said to be in simplest form when it is expressed as the product of rational and an irrational factor. Product of an rational factor and an irrational factor. In this form, the surd has the smallest possible index of the radical sign, no fraction under the radical sign, no factor is of the form a power n, where a is a positive integer under index n. Listen one example sum 2.18. Can you reduce the following numbers to surds of same order? Can you reduce the following numbers to surds of same order? Listen, first number is square root of 3. Here not given the number but you take the index is 2. Okay, square root of 3. And second one is fourth root 3. Fourth root of 3. Third one is cubic root of 3. So first one square root, next one fourth root, third one cubic root. So we convert all the numbers into same order. We convert the numbers to sorts of same order. Listen, we find out the LCM of the index. LCM is this number is 2 and this number is 4 and this number is 3. So you find out the LCM of the number. LCM is, already you know the LCM part. So find out the LCM. LCM is 12. Okay. So we convert all the order of sorts is 12. We convert order of sorts is 12. First number, so the index is 2. That is order is 2. We convert this 2 into 12. So you multiply 6 into this 2. So if you multiply the index is 6, the inside radicand also you multiplied power 6 or raise the power 6. Don't forget, if you multiplied the index is 6, then root inside also be increased the index is 6. So 3 power 6 value is 729. So this one is 12th root of 729. We get it. And second is, root is 4th root of 3. 4th root of 3 is we want 12th root. So we multiplied the index into 3 and increase the power also 3. This root inside also. So here 3 cube value is 27. The index is, we get the order is 12. Okay, 12 root of 27. 12th root of 27. Next one, cubic root of 3. Cubic root of 3 is, we want here 12. So you multiply index 3 into 4. So the root inside also you raise the power 4. Now we get 12th root of 3 power 4 is 81. Because 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 9 into 9, 9 9s are 81. 12th root of 81. Now we check all the terms. All the numbers are same order. All the numbers of same order. So this is the sorts of same order. Next question, example 2.19. Express the sorts in the simplest form. Root 8 and cubic root of 192. Root 8 is, write the factor of root 8. See the factors of root 8 is 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, this one square root. So 2 numbers having in the square root, you take outside one number. So 2. Remaining 2, you keep it in the root inside. This is the simplest form of root 8. And cubic root of 192. The factors of cubic root of 192. Root 192, write the factors inside. So 4 into, here we get it again one more 4 into 3. So cubic root of is 3 numbers are same. We take outside only one number. Remaining numbers you keep it in the root inside. This one cubic root. So 4 cubic root 3 is the answer of this question. Next question. Show that cubic root of 7 greater than 4th root of 5. Cubic root of 7 greater than 4th root of 5. First we convert the given source into equiradical sorts. Okay, convert the given source into equiradical sorts. So we find out the LCM of the order. Order of this cubic root of 7 is 3 and this one is 4. So LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is no common divisors. So we multiplied and write. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. We convert this source into equiradical source. We want the order is 12. So you multiply the index into 4. So inside also you should raise the power 4. So we get 12th root of 7 power 4. What's the value? 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 49 into 49. 49 into 49 is 2401. 2401. Next number, 4th root of 5. So this one also we change the order is 12. So multiplied into 3. This root inside also you raise the power 3. Okay. So 12th root of 5 cube is, what's the value? 5 cube. 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now compare this to equiradical surds. 12th root of 2401 and 12th root of 125. Which one is greater? This term is the greater. So cubic root of 7 greater than 4th root of 5. Hence proved. Next order of your surd type is pure and mixed surds. Pure and mixed surds. Listen, pure surd definition is if its coefficient in its simplest form is 1. If its coefficient in its simplest form is 1. That is, this root near, no need, you don't take the number. Okay. If you having the number, that is mixed surds. So this number simplest form is 1 here. Okay. This root nearest value is 1. Here also 1. So these are the types of pure surds. And mixed type is if its coefficient in its simplest form other than 1. Other than 1 is the root nearest 5 and this root nearest having 2. Here 3 is given. So this type is mixed surds and this type of surds is pure surds. Next type is simple and compound surds. Simple and compound surds. The surds within a single term. A surd within a single term is called a simple surd. Okay, a surd with a single term is said to be a simple surd. For example, root 3, 2 root 5. This is a single term, only one term. Okay, so any of the basic operation is cannot used for this term. So these are the single term. This type is simple surds. And compound surds is the algebraic sum of 2 or more surds. Algebraic sum of 2 or more surds is called compound surds. For example, see these two terms are connected with the plus and these two terms are connected with minus. So this sum of 2 or more surds is called a compound surds. Next type, binomial surds. Binomial surds is an algebraic sum of 2 terms, both of which could be surds, or one could be a rational and another a surd. Okay, only the 2 terms are surd, or one of the number is a rational number or and another is surd. Okay, this is the binomial surd definition. Listen the example. 1 by 2 minus root 19. This 2 terms is a binomial surd. This 1 by 2 is a rational number and root 19 is the surd. Okay, a rational number. And 5 plus 3 root 2. 5 is the rational and 3 root 2 is the surd. And root 3 minus 2 root 7. This both the terms are could be a surd. Okay, this is the example of binomial surd. Next question, example 2.20. Arrange in ascending order cubic root of 2, square root of 4 and fourth root of 3. All the orders of your surds are different. So convert all the surds into equiradical surds. Okay, so then only we find out the ascending or descending orders. Then find out the LCM of the orders of your surd. Order of your surd is 3, 2 and 4. So the LCM of 3, 2 and 4 is 2 and 4 is 4. So 4 and 3 we get the LCM is 12. So cubic root 2 convert into equiradical surd. We want the order is 12. So multiply 3 into 4. The root inside also you raise the power 4. So 3 into 4, 2 power 4. Here we get it 12th root of 16. 2 power 4 is 16. Next one is square root of 4. Square root of 4, here the order is 2. We want 12. So you multiply this index into 6. So root inside also you raise the power 6. Okay, so 4 power 6 we get root inside. So 4 power 6 is write 4 6 times. And the product of the term is 4096. And the next term is 4th root of 3. Here 4th root. But we want here 12. Okay, so you multiplied 4 into 3. If you multiplied 3 into the index, then you should raise the power 3 also inside of the number. Then 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. You get 27. Now you check the source. All the sources are, the order is 12, 12, 12. So this one equiradical source. Equiradical source. Now you arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is write the smaller number first. So 12th root of 16, 12th root of 27, last 12th root of 4096. The question is cubic root of 2 less than 4th root of 3 and square root of 4. This is the ascending order of the given question. This slide complete the exercise problems. Exercise 2.6, fourth question, and do it. Any doubt you ask me. Thank you, students.